they put a bench here, so now I can sit. They're almost inviting me to come here and skate. These are one of those skateboards that you get that are already pre-built at the shop. So they're usually cheaper quality to get the price point down. A real skateboard deck, 8.0, 53 wheels, about $100. It says $109.99 on here. So let's see how this board is before I have to tighten and adjust it. My board hardware isn't coming in until Friday. Literally 42 degrees today, so I had to come out and skate.
I went into the skate session with the intention of enjoying myself on the warmest 42-degree day of the winter so far, but it ended up leaving me super frustrated and questioning why we focus so heavily on repetition in skateboarding. Enough practice in any situation can help harness your skills and develop newfound knowledge. In this case, you learn tricks that you can build on, finesse into even harder challenges, and tricks down the road. Now let me preface this. In the moment, I thought it would be a great idea to buy a complete new skateboard just to skate for one day. All because I didn't want to buy additional hardware, less than $5, and set up a new board. But this was a time-sensitive decision, limited time, and limited sunlight left in the day. Immediately, checking in at the spot, I warmed up. Notice how strange pre-built skateboards feel. Didn't expect gold for just over $100, but wanted something that would suffice for a few hours of fun. I started getting into a fakey frontside heel flip, one of my favorite tricks. Didn't really stick it at first, struggled with the timing, the flip, and the weight of the board. Easily could have been the shoes, but I felt weird overall. Couple tries in and boom, snapped right on the corner. Less than 15 minutes and I snapped this board. Oh my god. Regardless, I needed a backup board to keep in my car, so I really wasn't super uptight about this. Truly, what was pulling at my heart was the fact that I couldn't land a trick I nearly perfected in a previous session. Why do skaters continue to attempt a trick until they are completely broken on the inside and outside? Why did I feel the urge to persist with a trick that just wasn't working? More often than not, we are posed with the responsibility of living up to our expectations of ourselves. Whether your parents pressure you, your friends, or it's you in your corner rooting you on, we're direct representations of our will to accomplish our goals. Do I think it's unhealthy to beat yourself up and keep trying something over and over again, even when you know it's not working? Yes, absolutely. But I'm still going to probably do it. Something in my brain clicks and tells me, just one more try. After every last try, you get to a point where all your determination must add up to something, otherwise you won't be able to forgive yourself. I 100% do not doubt there's something mentally wrong with me for feeling this way, but why half-ass anything you're going to do in your life? Why do you continue to attempt something even when you know it isn't working? It's right there in the pudding. That smile, that feeling of success. There's just so much fun involved to not give it a whirl and see where that path takes you. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the videos lately. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Hit the button, hit the like button, what have you. I hope you're enjoying these videos. That's the most important to me. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. For now. Preheating the oven to make dinner.